So everyone's talking about AI right now, and if you're thinking of becoming an AI engineer, let me guess, you've probably heard one of these. Bro, just learn Python and ChatGPT and you're in. Make an app that writes essays and boom, you're rich. Or isn't AI just telling the model what to do? Yeah, not exactly. Let's break it down. What people think AI engineering is versus what it actually is, and how you can become one without wasting time on the hype. First off, AI is not magic. You're not building Jarvis like Iron Man. You're not Spider-Man coding a supersuit. You're mostly debugging, tuning, dealing with weird edge cases, and trying to figure out why your model keeps predicting that a banana is a toaster. It's way more than prompting. An AI engineer is someone who builds systems that use machine learning models in real-world applications. That could mean training a recommendation system, deploying a chatbot, fine-tuning a language model, building infrastructure to support all of that. So how do you actually become one? Let's walk through the real roadmap. Step 1, learn Python. This is your lightsaber, not fancy, just essential. NumPy, pandas, basic scripting, functions, loops. You need to be very comfortable writing and reading Python code. Step 2, understand math, but not all of it. You don't need a PhD, but you do need to get the basics of linear algebra, vectors, matrices, probability, statistics, maybe a touch of calculus if you go deep into model internals, but you don't need to suffer through theory for years. Just enough to understand what the model is doing and why. Step 3, learn machine learning. Start with supervised learning, classification, regression, then move into decision trees, random forests, SVMs, neural networks. Use scikit-learn to build small models, use Kaggle to practice, then go deeper with TensorFlow or PyTorch when you're ready. Step 4, deep learning. This is where it gets exciting. Image recognition, speech, language. You'll learn about CNNs, convolutional neural nets for images, RNNs, LSTMs for sequences, transformers, yep, the tech behind ChatGPT. But again, build projects. Don't just watch videos. Step 5, understand deployment. AI in a notebook is not useful to the world. Learn how to build REST APIs using Flask or Fast API, Dockerize your models, deploy to AWS, GCP, or Azure. This is where software engineering overlaps. AI engineers are developers who know machine learning, not the other way around. Step 6, data engineering basics. You won't always get clean, perfect data sets, so learn SQL, ETL pipelines, how to clean, process, and store data. Think of it like prepping your ingredients before cooking. Bad data equals bad model, period. Now, let's be real. Everyone on LinkedIn is saying AI is taking over, jobs are going, humans are obsolete. But guess what? To build AI, you still need humans. To understand the problem, to feed the right data, to check the results, to make sure the system is ethical and useful. That's why companies are still hiring AI engineers. But yes, it's competitive. You'll need to show what you've built, projects, GitHub repos, maybe even a small portfolio site showing your work. Being an AI engineer is not just about playing with ChatGPT or copying Python code from Reddit. It's a real role that blends math, coding, model understanding, data work, and software engineering. But if you're curious, if you like solving problems, and if you're willing to build real things, you can do this. Start small, one project at a time. Learn, break stuff, fix it. Repeat. That's how real AI engineers are made. And if no one told you this yet, you've got what it takes.